Welcome back. We drove down to Helotes, Texas, which is near San Antonio. A good friend of ours has been the pastor at this church, and she's just retiring, so we came down to celebrate her retirement with her. She's been following my drone flying just a little bit, so I thought it would be fun to come fly a few packs at the church. And guess what? It was. You can see there was a Boy Scout troop here, getting ready to head to camp. Pretty neat.
Stole a key, took a car downtown where the lost boys meet. Took a car downtown and took what they offered me to set me free. I saw the lights go down at the end of the scene. I saw the lights go down and standing in front of me. Scarecrow dreams, when they smash my heart into smithereens, be a bright red rose come bursting the concrete, be a cartoon heart, light a fire spark, light a fire flame in my heart. We'll run wild, we'll be glowing in the dark. We'll be glowing in the all the boys, all the girls, all that matters in the world. All the boys, all the girls, all the madness that occurs. All the highs, all the lows, as the room is spinning goes. We'll run riot, we'll be glowing in the dark. Luminous and wired, we'll be glowing in the dark.
Well, I'd like to wish Cheryl many congratulations, and I hope she finds her journey through retirement fulfilling. As always, thanks for flying with me, and I hope you have an amazing week.